Hi, Sporklers. So this video is just a couple extra little things. If you've already kind of been sporkling and you want to just kind of take it to the next level, here's just two little things I wanted to show you. So the first, I'm going to look again at my true-false quiz here. It says blood is red, true, and false. So hopefully at this point you've already watched the video, so you kind of already see how to make this. But I want to show you something. So this is actually what I really do because I think it increases it. So what happens is you can actually accept multiple right answers and multiple wrong answers as well. So for how many parts of blood are there? Let's say the answer is 4, but I also want to maybe accept 4. You put this little backslash, and you can put every answer that you want to possibly accept. Okay. Actually, the reason that I use it is not so much for the right, but more the wrong. So in case I don't do true false, which occasionally I do, and there's an answer like this where the answer is just like 4, the same thing, I'd copy the question, I'd put EE, so I'd want them to mark it wrong if they put 1, or if they put 2, or they put 3 or 5 or 6 or 7. So basically I would do something like this where it says they'd mark it wrong if they end up putting any other answers. That's one of the things. But what's also cool about this is that when you put these slashes, what will actually pop up on their screen is wherever the first one is. So normally what I'll do is I'll put something like this. This is how many parts of blood are there, and I'll say, sorry, it is 4. So now when they put 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, it says, sorry, it is 4. And I'll actually usually do this for true false as well. So if the answer is false, I will say, sorry, it is false /t. So when they put t, it pops up, sorry, it's false. And then sometimes, depending on the question, I'll actually might give a little explanation. So I'll may say, sorry, it's false, blood is never blue. So that'll actually pop up too. So that's something I utilize a lot too, is that backslash to have multiple answers. And I just want to show you one last thing. There's a bunch of different types of Sporcle quizzes, except I almost always do true false, but occasionally I'll do a clickable, which kids really like too, and that's actually my goal for next year, is to do a little bit more of those. So here's what I mean. So this is what a clickable one looks like. This is for like the path of blood. So I would hit like play quiz, and it says, where does blood go after the arteries to your body parts? Okay, so the answer there would be capillaries in your body. And so they can click it, and it almost ends up being like a speed challenge, which the kids really like. You see how I put like a minute here? So they end up liking this. So then if you click the wrong one, the quiz ends. So that's a quick little clickable one. It's basically the same idea as far as the setup is concerned. Anyway, happy sporkling. There's a lot of other extra features that I haven't talked about, so by all means explore, have fun, and enjoy.